welcome in our e-learning classes of Bardhan Model School. Students, previous day we have solved exercise. Everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Okay. Now, Sneha, first cut the call and rejoin it. Then you can see. So, exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. We have exercise 7.2. We have completed the sum number 1. Today we will start. Mute your microphone, everyone. Mute your microphone, everyone. Hello? Such type of all. Mute your microphone, everyone. Aryan Kabir, Oindrila C and Naina Mishra. I have requested 3 or 4 times, mute your microphone, mute your microphone. You didn't listen this. It's a class. Don't do anything such that anyone can, for anyone that is harmful. 3 or 4 times I am repeatedly saying mute your microphone, and many of the students are saying, sir, please say other student to mute their microphone. So leave this and back to in our syllabus. So exercise 7.2, exercise 7.2, we have completed sum number 1. Now today I will start sum number 2. Again someone is not muted, unmute your microphone. Let me check. You are not unmuting your microphone. Let me check. Then I will inform this to the principal sir office. Full name? Full name Ritesh. Ritesh Chaudhary. Okay. Okay. Today I want to, I thought that I will discuss some MCQ question, but due to some problem, and one of the most problem that 2 or 3 students didn't unmute their microphone. That's why class hampered 5 to 6 minutes. So leaving this MCQ, I am starting exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Question number 2. Okay, some statements are given there. That is a class 8 pine. Some statements are given there. That is, first statement, cube of any odd number is given. Cube of any odd number. How can I solve MCQ question? Tell me. You are the students of class 8 and I had to spend 5 minutes. Just say please your microphone. Okay, as we sorry, in class 8 I think I have started exercise 7.2. So first sum of exercise 7.2, that is 64. We have to say that these are the perfect cube number or not, and what is the cube root? What is the cube root of 64? (64) is a perfect cube or not? Oisi Machi. Answer 4. Okay. Anyone else? Rosni Singh 4, Asmita Kundu 4, Surojit 4, Nikita 4. Yes, Moitra Chattopadhyay 4. So 64 is a perfect cube number. If I factorize this, that is 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is one triplet. All the factors are in the triplet form. So 64 is a cube root, perfect cube, and cube root of 64, that is cube from this triplet 2 and this triplet 2. So that is 4. Okay. So cube root of 64 is 4. Now moving the another question, and student, what sums will be given in the class? Solve. Just answer in the chat box only that question. Okay, watch it carefully. Number 2700. Is it a perfect cube number? If it is a perfect cube number, then what is the cube root of this number? Nikita has answered 30. Okay, well done Nikita. OIC 30. Yes, it is perfect cube, answer 30. Okay. So first answer given by Nikita. Okay, well done Nikita. So 2700 is divided by 2, that is 2 2 again. Mute your microphone everyone. I think I did some mistake here. That is 213350. Yes, no. That is divided by 2. That is 315. 3375. Now 5. So 2700 means 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, and 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3. So cube root of all the factors are in the triplet form. Cube root of 2700, that is 1 2 from here, 1 5 from here, and 1 3 from here. That is 30. 30 is the cube root. 30 is the cube root of 27,000. 27,000. Next, this answer is first given by Nikita. Okay, so well done, Nikita. Next, 512. 512. Oindrila. Okay, very good, beta. Very good. Chandranath also very good. Nikita 8. Okay, Visti, Oisi, Surajit, Roshni, and Sneha. Sneha, yes, 8. Moitrio 8. Naina 8. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Almost 22 students are there. I have got answer only 10 or 9 students. Remaining students, who are the remaining students? Answer it. What is the cube root of? Yes, Adri. Yes. So cube root of 12, 512, let us check. So 2, 2, 2, yes, Osmita, that is a perfect cube. 8, 4, and 2, 2. So one triplet, second triplet, and third triplet. So from that triplet, first triplet 2, second triplet 2, and third triplet 2. That is 2 2s are 4. So cube root of 512 equal to 8. Okay. So we have given the first Chandranath. I think Chandranath has given the first answer. Okay. So well done, Chandranath. No, I think not Chandranath. Before Chandranath, someone has answered. Who answer is first answer of this question? Who answer first? Yes, Oindrila. So Oindrila, well done, better. Next question. One, 3, 8. Rosni has answered some question. 25 is the answer of number 5. We don't know, but she have written 13824. 13824. Cube root of 13824. Chandranath. Yes, Chandranath. This time Chandranath has given the answer. Moitreya, okay, well done. Adri, Sneha, Trijit, Surajit, Brishti, Rosni. Osmita, anyone else? Anyone else? Well done, Osmita. Okay. So 1, 3. Sasikant. Sasikant is typing something. Okay. Annesha. 24. Oasis 24. Let us check. That is 1384. So 2. 13824. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 1 0 1, triplet 1, Jiaul, okay, 24, triplet 2, triplet 3 and triplet. From the first triplet, cube root of 13824, first triplet of 2, second triplet of 2, that is 1 2 will be occurred in the cube root, third triplet from 2 and also the fourth, that is the triplet of 3. So that is 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 24. 24 is the cube root. 24 is the cube root of 13824. So these answers first given by Chandranath Paul. Okay, well done Chandranath. Next question. One zero six 10648. Oindrila's answer 22. Sosikant 42. Oindrila, okay. So then Osmita 22, Adri 22, okay beta. Trijit 22, Oisi 22, Rosni, Kamal, Nisat, okay. Bishti. Anyone else? Ritesh 22, okay. Anyone else? 4 people are typing. 4 people are typing. So Adridam, okay. Jiaul 22. Jiaul, how are you? Surajit 22. Let us check that is 10642. So first, as it is even number, you can take it here 2. Again by 2. Again even number 2. Now 11. So that can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 11 into 11 into 11. All the factors, all the one triplet, second triplet. So all the factors under the triplet. So cube root of 10648, 10648. Sneha, answer it. I am fine, Jiaul. Okay, beta. That is from that triplet 2 and second triplet, that is triplet of 11, you take 2. So cube root of 10,648, that is 22. So who has answered? Oindrila. Oindrila has answered first of this question. So well done on Oindrila. Okay. So I think all the questions of question number 1 have been solved. All the questions of, yes, okay beta. All the questions have been solved of question number 1. Now just 2 or 3 minutes left in the class. So I am discussing 2 MCQ. So get ready for the MCQ questions. And that type of question can come in your exam, upcoming exam. Okay. Okay, this, that is MCQ question, but I am giving you the question. You have to write the, okay, write down the, okay. I want to see who will be first able to answer. Okay, stop typing. Those who are typing, stop typing. Listen to me. Listen to me what I am saying. Okay, write down the general form of Pythagorean triplet. Write down the general form of Pythagorean triplet. Okay, I want to see that who will answer first. What is the general form of Pythagorean triplet? 5 people are typing. M square plus 1 m. Okay, Chandranath answer, already answered. Anyone else? So Pythagorean triplet, we know that we learn it in class in the chapter squares and square root. Okay, in the chapter squares and square root. So general form of Pythagorean triplet, that is Moitya Chattopadhyay m square plus 1 m square minus 1 Bishti m square plus Bishti m square plus and m square minus 1 Rishabh Osmita. Okay, okay. So except Bishti all are given. Osne sir, okay, right answer. So the general form of Pythagorean triplet is m square plus 1 m square minus 1 and first term is 2m. So this is the general form of Pythagorean triplet. Okay, okay students, stop typing, who are typing, just look at the board. Okay, because time is already over. The Pythagorean triplet, the general form of Pythagorean triplet, 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. Okay, and next question. Okay, iron and OIC, stop typing beta. Okay, just listen to what I am saying, listen to the question. Okay, give me an example. It means give me the example of Pythagorean triplet. It means you have to write 3 numbers, which numbers can be represented in this way. That means example of Pythagorean triplet, examples of Pythagorean triplet. Who can answer? Okay, I want to see who can answer first. That is 2m m square plus 1 m square minus 1. That is the general form. Now I am saying find out an example. Neha 6 8 10. Yes, 6 8 10. It is a Pythagorean triplet, because we know that 10 square equal to 8 square plus 6 square. 3 8 10. How can it possible? No beta, it is not possible. Chandana Surajit. 3 5 6. Rosni, wrong. 5 square plus 3 square, no, not possible. 3 8 10. Noina, wrong answer. Osmita 6 8 10. Yes, right answer. Ritesh 50. Oh, 6 8 10. Maximum of you are given 6 8 10. Okay, so right answer. So many triplets are there. If I take 5 4 3, this is also an example of triplet, Pythagorean triplet. So right answer is given by Sneha. Okay, so well done Sneha. Students, I end this class here. I hope you enjoy a little bit this class, because you know that maths class is very bored, but I hope that you are enjoying this class. Okay. Three, 5, 6. Rosni, that is 3 5 6. Okay, your answer is 3 5. 6 square 36, 10 5 square 25 and 3 square 9. So 25 plus 9, that equal to 34, not 36. That's why it is wrong. So students, I end this class here. Next day I will start question number 2. There are some statements are given, we have to set true or false. Okay, so I end this class here. Thank you students.